In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right TikTok app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to download and install the right TikTok app, I'll take you through this process. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do so, you need to go to your Android smartphone and then look for Play Store. So from Play Store, go ahead and tap on it, and under this search, you can just tap on search here, or you can see the same search is here. Just search for TikTok, and here we go. If I tap on it, you can see we have TikTok app here. You can see by the time of recording this app has currently a rating of 4.3 from around 64 million reviewers, and it is over 166 MBs and with over 1 billion downloads. So if I tap on it, you can see more details here. This is the company, TikTok Pte Limited. So to install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this TikTok app, and then it will install it on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you can proceed and open it from here. Alternatively, if you go now to your apps, now you can see TikTok app is here. So that's how you can successfully download and install TikTok app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.